Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about operators in Python. What is an operator? Operator is a kind of symbol which is used to perform a different kinds of operation. Operator is performing an operation in between variables. So in terms of operator topic, we are going to tell this variable as a operand. So what are the different types of operator we have? Arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, identity, and membership operator. So these are all the different kinds of operator. First, we are going to discuss about arithmetic operator. So what is arithmetic? Is used to perform an arithmetic operation between two operands. In arithmetic, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular, floor division, and exponent. We'll see with an example. So we have a two value, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 4. So we want to perform arithmetic operation. So first we are going to do plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponent. Okay. So we know that addition is nothing but normally we are trying to add two values. 10 plus 4 is 14. A minus B, 10 minus 4 is 6. A into B. So 10 into 4, we are getting answer is 40. A divide by B. So in this, we are getting a value for quotient. Okay. Quotient value. And A divide by B. So in this, we are getting a value of floor division. So for floor division, we have to use the double slash sign. So in that value, we will get the quotient value in without any fractional part. That is the floor division. In this is called a modulus division. Modulus division. And this is exponent. So exponent means 10 to the power of 4. So our answer will be 10,000. So these are all the arithmetic operators. We are going to discuss about relational operator. So what is a relational operator? Which is also called a comparison operator. So if you want to compare any two value means we can use this operator. So it will return any Boolean value, either true or false. So what are the relational operators we have? We can say that greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, and we have equal sign and not equal sign. So these are the symbols we have to use for this comparison of two values. So we'll see with an example. So we have a value of 89, t is equal to 67. Print of s is greater than t. So we are getting the result as true because 89 is greater than 67. So if you are using this same print symbol with greater than or equal to. So in this case, it may contain 89 is greater than 67 or equal to 67. So if I change the value 89, so first value becomes false because it will have only value 89 is greater than t only, it becomes true. But here we have a two option. Either it may be a greater than or equal to. So that we have a two option. Similarly, we have less than also. So x is equal to 12, y is equal to 6. So print of x is less than y. Same thing, we have an option. X is less than or equal to y. So both condition becomes false because I used the greater value for x. So x value is greater than y. That is why we are getting a result as false. So if I change the value to y as 60, now it becomes true. Okay. So x is lesser than value of y. Here, if I change the value to 16, now it becomes false and this condition becomes true. Okay. For equal sign, what we have to do? The value should be equal. So print of B equal to F. It becomes false because 6 is not equal to 5. The same we are using for not equal. In that case, it will become true. So these are all the comparison operators. I hope all of you understand this comparison operator. In next video, we will discuss remaining operator. Thank you guys.